I am opening Ubuntu. We will see some more commands. Those number one is memory related commands. Number two is disk related commands. Memory, memory, and disk related commands. See, Ubuntu. See, in this class, they may ask at least one or two questions. See, they given free hyphen H. H means human readable format. H means human readable format. See, generally we think, suppose I want to know how much memory is there, how much free memory is there, how much user memory is there. For that, general our feeling is maybe mem will not work. For that, you need to know free. Command free by using we can know total memory, user memory, free memory. But there it is showing in KBs, man. In KBs. I want to see human readable format. That's why hyphen free hyphen there M or F we have seen. Free hyphen M. H, right? H means human readable. See, there 7.6 gigabytes GI. Got it or not? This is megabytes. This is gigabytes. See, compared to this is easy to understand. That's why free hyphen H. If you want to know the memory, you need to give free. If you want to know human readable format, you need to. Even we may go with KH also may work. See, is it okay? Same look and feel, right? I think there is no difference. Okay. KH. Their kilo representation. If not possible, you go for mega. If not possible, you go for giga. That is the meaning. But anyway, human readable form. Is it clear? Is there any difficulty to know the memory? How much it is used? How much it is free? For that, you need to go with free hyphen h. Now, where is that? Now you know top. See, top command, what it will provide in the sense, which process consumes how much memory, how much CPU. Which process consumes how much memory, how much CPU. See, we go for top command. There, check it. There, user is root, PID process ID. There, observe how much memory consuming, how much CPU consuming, how much memory consumption, how much CPU consumption. Simply top command. Top command purpose is we are going to know which process consumes how much CPU, how much memory. Is it okay, man? Good. Now, htop is the advanced command. Here it may work or not, I don't know. But anyway, we'll try. We will try. There, Control C. There's clear. Clear. Htop. See, htop is not there. We may install it. Sudo snap install htop. There you may get colorful look and feel, maybe. Colorful look and feel. I want to see how many number of processors in our system are working. Anyone can guess it? I want to know number of processors. Very simple command. For process PROC, right? How many number of process? NPROC. In my computer, in my computer. Even you check it and tell me, maybe those who are sitting in front of your computer, your system supporting how many processes? Now, just someone is trying to log in. Guna, good morning. Yeah, thank you. Now, see which command I provided? N proc. What does mean? Number of processes. How many CPUs are using in your computer? Maybe if you go for EC2, maybe today we'll enter into the AWS. There also we may use maybe T2 micro is there, T2 medium is there. T2 micro, how many processors might support? One core CPU, 1 GB memory. There we can see one only. There we can see one only. But here in my computer, how many CPUs are there? 12 CPUs are. 12 CPUs are. Maybe we need to go just to install HTOP, right? HTOP, HTOP. See, maybe compare to maybe previous also same look and feel. But what is the difference? Color. Are you agree with me? The look and feel will change, but person will not change. Options are same, but output look and feel is different. That is the human readable format. Human effectively maybe identify which is positive. Maybe this see -1 is there, -1 is there. Maybe red color that is giving like. Is it okay for you? Top generally according to industry standards we may use top only, but they enhanced H top, H top. Control C. The main purpose of top, what will you tell? How much memory, how much CPU consumption by which process. Each process, how much CPU, how much process it is consumed. Now, good to go. Seema. This is the display visual memory statistic. This one also you need to install now. Generally, maybe a net stat is there. Net stat. This is also I need to install. Okay, I will install it. See, network statistics. If you enter into EC2, these are the default commands, man. No need to install there. It will work automatically. Netstat. See, this is the network statistics it is giving. See, you know the inode, internal node. State is connected. Type is stream. DGRAM, stream. Okay. Unix 3. There. Count flags. This is the statistics we are going to get. Now good to go. Now there, watch already you know, right? Watch command. Many times we have seen. Are you agree with me? Now is there any? This is one of the powerful ma. PS-AUX. Top memory consuming process. Top memory consuming process. Generally we go for their PS-AUX. PSI set right process status. PS-AUX. Here also you can see statistics, but this is the from top to bottom, which consumes more memory. Based on that, it will show process status. Process status. They asked in maybe in one interview, okay, PS-AX good. I want to see specific process. How can you get? Very simple. You know, suppose some process name is there. They are expecting JREP grep. Maybe some process name. Maybe I want to go with INIT. INIT. See, are you able to see the specific processes? Is it okay for you? Maybe in that
Yes.
interview we told PS-AX, but at that time we didn't maybe understand what he is expecting. Maybe our feeling is different command. No. Just after PS-AX for specific process, how can I know? By using grep, already right, grep. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I hope memory, according to memory, many things according to memory. This is very powerful. Disk related commands. See, DF actually file system default path. But generally people will read disk space usage. See, disk free, general meaning, disk free. Or technical word is file system default. File system defaults. Again, H means human readable format. See, disk space uses that is human readable format df-h. See, df-h. Are you observing? These are the different partitions, very easily to understand in my C drive, in my D drive, in my E drive at least. In Linux, pure Linux, we can't able to see like this drives. Are agree with me? There we can't see my drives ma. There we can see according to our Linux or Unix, my files are there, directories are there. Are agree with me? Directories, files. In the same way, there we can get it. There we can get it. If you want it, you can add a drive. If you want it, you can add a drive. But everything in Unix and Linux, it will consider as a files only. File. See, in technical word, X is a file. According to Windows, maybe I'm creating mkdir abc. In our scenario, what is abc? Abc is what ma? Directory. Are you agree with me? Dir is directory. But according to Linux, there is the directory file ma. Directory file. Is it okay for you? This is also a file. That is also a file. But file cannot hold multiple files, but directory can hold multiple files and directory. I hope you got the difference. Is it
Yes.
okay for you? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now see du hyphen h, see size of directories and files in current folder. Okay, first we'll go with the du hyphen sh. Du hyphen sh. Du means disk usage. Du means disk usage. Du means disk usage. For example, cd slash etc. Now I go for du hyphen sh. Not working. Du can't access s. What I given? Hyphen missing, right? Yeah. See, now check it. Here is permission is not there. Okay, leave it, no problem. Cd dot dot sudo hyphen I am going to there. There you make it. Du hyphen ss. Okay, total it is giving disk uses. Each here how much memory it is consuming, it is telling how much memory it is consuming. There in whenever we enter into EC2, there we can apply once again, there we can see multiple things. There we can see multiple things. Okay, there elastic block storage there list block devices. Here how many are there? We may check it. LSBLK, elastic block storage. See, we can see there. These are the multiple disk it is telling which are mounted, those mounted things, and as well as disks. There these many are there according to this scenario. Is it okay? LSBLK, elastic block storage. Elastic block storage. Try to remember. Elastic block storage. Good. Next. If you want to mount it, mount means attach. Mount means attach. Here I'm not applying. Again, we'll discuss on where maybe here may be possible or not, leave it. But in EC2, we'll do that activity. There we will work with mount, unmount, those things we can see. The F disk means fixed disk, a partition table of disk. You know the partitions, right? There we can do it. There display UID type. Maybe we may check it there. Okay, show mounted file systems. Anyway, we can check it. Oh, MOUNT. See, these are all attached. Mounted means mounting means attach. Mounting means attaching. See, in Docker also -v somewhere we used. Are you agree with me? In Docker, where we used.
Volumes.
Yeah, in volumes. In volume also same concept we did. There in volume we mounted. In volume we mounted. There v here is the mount word. Now modern version of mount info it may not work here. We may see fix fdisk hyphen elm partition table of disk fdisk it may work fdisk hyphen elm. See this is the partitions it is telling. Disk model, virtual disk. See, many virtual disks are there. Many virtual disks. Now, IO stat, input output statistics. We may check IO stat. IO stat. There it is the command. You need to install. Now, this is the main command du-8. So, size of files. Du-8. Du-8. See, this is important command. Each each folder, how much memory it is consuming. Are you understanding or not? Each folder or file, you may think. There actually disk usage we can use for folders. Folders. Is it okay for you, man? Each directory, how much memory it is consuming. Based on maybe size, right? Maybe that folder contain some files. Based on the file size, it will show how much memory it is consumed. That is the disk usage. DU disk usage, DF disk free or disk default file system. Default file system. Is it okay for you? Now we go for one more powerful thing is AWK. See, AWK is powerful text processing tool in Linux. Text processing tool in Linux. See, AWK is one type of programming tool. It is not a simple tool. Even 1 month we may discuss on AWK. That much of powerful work. That much of powerful work. But anyway, we'll see maybe little examples. If you want more, we can go beyond also, no problem. See, in AWK, it may give the word pattern. Wherever pattern is there, it may support multiple options. Wherever pattern is there, it will support multiple options. Then we go for action. Then we go for file. Then we go for file name. See, I may ask one sample file. Give me, give me sample file on AWK. See, if you want to work with AWK whenever, wherever, data must be in the table format. You may ask me why we should have data will be in the table format. I may show you one little example. See ls-ltr. Now what we are getting here, maybe you may go for even cd slash etc again ls-ltr. Now observe and tell me. Data will be in which format my here? We are getting some output, right? Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
In our scenarios, in our maybe in our working, we may get output like this only every day. Some maybe millions of lines sometimes. How to handle this millions of lines of content by using AWK means this is the main game. This is the main game. Okay, now I am going with there. Copy this. See, this is your wish chat of greater than there. Maybe I may take data or data dot DMP. DMP means dump. DMP means dump. My extension is optional here. Please remember, on Linux environment, extension is not mandate. If you want it, you can give it. See, I provided DMP, no problem. There I pasted. There control D. Good. Now cat of data. DA. Data.df. Am I getting as it is, right? As it is. Now I want to work on this. I want to work on. See, first we need to give AWK, then we need to go for a double quotation, then curly brace open, then curly brace close, then we go for file name. What is the file name? Data.dfp. There in between double quotation, what will you do? You need to go with print. What will you do? See $0, what it represents. Check it. Now something, this command is not working. What happening?
We need to give
AWK.
AWS.
Yeah, I given AWS. There AWK. Now print, I given command properly, right? Anything going wrong? There just okay, I given right way. I need to give single quotation. They are expecting single quotation. Print of, print of. Yeah, good. See, in this scenario, 100% you need to use which quotations, man? Single quotation only you need to use. This is okay for you. See what I am doing. I am printing entire file. Entire file. You may ask me, even cat also will work, right? Cat also data.dm. This is general command. By using AWK, how to get it means I am printing $0 means entire file. Suppose the specialty is C. $1 now. What it may see. Now it is good, right? By using cat, can you get maybe first column? Anyone let me
No,
know?
sir.
No,
Not
sir.
possible. Not possible. But here possible. You want maybe column 1 and column 3. I want to get column 1 and column 3. You may guess it. Space again $sign 3 month. Is it okay for you? First column $1. Maybe third column I may go with $3. Check it. I'm getting which one only? Third column only, right? I want to get first and third. First and third. Not working? Not working?
No, we are getting both, sir, but it
Both,
is
oh,
giving
both.
space.
Giving. In previous scenario also same way? Yes. Anyway, I'll give space, ma. I'll give space. It may work or not. We'll check it. I want to give space. No, it is not taking, right? We need to provide space. We need to provide space. We may check, comma. There. Maybe greater. Next time I go for comma, may work or not, we'll check. No, no. We'll see that too facility may be there, we may give. Anyway, we are getting both columns good. See here, till now you clear, right? See, according to these examples, till now you have seen. See, AWK, some extra flags are there, right? Try to observe here, extra flag. See, NR means row number. Reverse you need to read. Row number. Row number should be greater than 1 and that $3 is equal to I. That means third column value must be IT. What will you do? You need to print the message. Is it okay for you? What they are telling? Row number should be greater than 1. On third column, value should be IT. See, check it. In our data, cat, there, where is that? Data dot dump, data. We are in here only. We are in proper order. Our file here is there only, ma. Cat data dot dmp. Yes. See what they are expecting. I don't want this heading. I don't want this heading. I want greater than 1. What they are giving? AWK. What they are telling? Row number. See, row number NR. Row number NR. Someone is trying to log in. Yeah, Subbu, good morning.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Okay,
Sorry.
thank you. Please move on. Now, Seema, what I am trying to say, AWK, row number. See, I said reverse order. You need to read row number greater than one. And what will you do? And what will you do? Dollar sign three. What it represents? Anyone respond? What it represents? Dollar sign
Column.
three represent
Column 3.
third column. Column one, column two, column three. In column three, IT word is there or not? There or not? IT. Which
Yes,
IT?
sir.
Capital IT. Capital IT. Capital IT. What will you do? You need to print. You need to their lowercase print print. What will you do? Which file? Which file? Data dot tmp. See here quotations is mandate or not? Check it. Quotations ma. Quotations are mandate or not. See, I said right, single quotation is mandate. Single quotation is mandate. For which one single quotation mandate? For command, single quotations are mandate. See, observe here. See, I am giving where to end after curly brace. Where to start after AWK. For for this is the string, right? Please observe. Is it string or not? This is string. What
Yes,
will
sir.
you do? You need to provide double quotation. You may check. See, see among 1 million records, suppose IT people or IT related information, what it is there, are able to find or agree with me? Is it
Yes.
good thing, right? Seema, other than this AWK, very complex to manage the data. That's why AWK is very powerful. This is not a command. This is like a tool. This is like a tool. This is like a programming feature. I'm not telling programming language. Is the programming feature. Suppose you know C language, we can easily work with AWK. Without knowing also, we are learning, right? Without knowing also. Even after here, I want to see first column and third column. You may know, right? Again, here itself, what will you do? Dollar one, there comma, dollar three, first and third. Yes or no? See, am I getting clearly? There, Alice, IT, David, IT. Is it okay for you? Subbu, is it understandable? This is the command, Subbu. There we are going to work with, we are telling, hey, row number should be greater than 1, I want it. And also, column 3, wherever department name IT is there, those things only you want to print. There too, first column and third column only you want to print for me. This one, I want to keep somewhere. I want to keep somewhere. What will you do? Greater than their temp, TMP or TEMP dot txt. Assume their cat of te. See what happened? Cat of temp dot txt. See, am I getting up? See, this is your intention. I am the IT guy. I may do like this. You are some other department. You may do like this. You are gathering information and extracting and simply, ETL, extract, transform, loading. We are extracting, we are transforming, we are loading into our. Is it clear for you, everybody?
Yes, sir.
These words you need to remember, not an easy thing. Maybe if you do 10 to 15 times same command again and again, if you memorize, then only you can. Otherwise, in interview, very complex. They may ask how to represent row number. At that time, you may write RN. RN is not right one, right? NR is that means in that way you need to remember. Now good to go. Observe, you have seen this here. See what they are telling in fourth column. Check it somewhere fourth column in our data. Fourth column. What is the fourth column? First, second, third, fourth. Are observing what is the fourth column heading?
Salary.
Salary. Those salaries they want to sum. They want to summation. Summation means there they want to add everything. They want to add everything. In that way, they written a small command. They written a small command. Check it here. What they are going to total. They are going to total. You know the word sigma x in mathematics. Sigma x, right? In sigma x. Okay, they want to print like a total salary. Total salary. See, first they are processing. See, try to understand. First they are processing. After process will end. After process will end. What will you do? You need to print this. You need to print this. In C language, maybe M, P, C. You are taking M is one variable, P is one variable, C is one variable. Maybe total is equal to M plus P plus C. One way. If you want to work with for loop, assume same MPC, they want to write with for loop, they may use another way, right? For loop. Maybe sum is equal to sum plus I, like that. We can work with same scenario. Internally, they can do. Internally, they can do. All the, how many rows are there? Those many rows. We can specify in between row number greater than 1 and row number less than maybe 10, like that also we can specify. Is it okay for you? Shall I go with this? I may apply what happens, you may see. Now check it. There, our file name. What is our file name? There I took data.dmp. Data.dmp. Check it. 2,47,000. Is it correct, ma? Let's see. 50,000, 40,000, 60,000, 45,000, 52,000. Is it okay for you? See, my question, first two number salary only, I want to get it. Anyone can modify this? First two member salary. Little modification I am expecting from you. What is the little modification? Already you have seen similar
Sir,
strategy
less
is
than
there
or
in the
equal to
previous.
50,000, sir.
Yeah, greater than one and less than or equal to, you are telling?
Sir, less than or equal to 50,000.
Less than or equal to, you may give row number 3, right? Is it okay?
Yeah, okay, sir. So, I mean, it's a four number, sir. Row number four. Row
Row
number
number
four.
4. I want second and third person only, right? Second and third person. That means actually in our scenario, first person, second person salaries only I want. See, Guna, I want to get 90,000. Please guide me in that way.
So, if you want the 90,000 salary, you
Hmm.
need to give command like salary is greater than or equal to I mean, oh,
No, no. Don't change the command. Try to utilize same command. Try to do little modification. That I am expecting. Don't go with your own strategies. If you go your own strategies, 100% will never work. Whenever if you want to work with any company or any area, already existing things are there. First,
okay.
try to understand all the existing scenarios, existing things. Based on that only, we need to do little modification. Then only our work will finish 100%. Otherwise, if you go your way, sometimes may work. We are very happy. Sometimes it never work. If you ask your boss, he will tell, "Hey, did we implement similar way in existing scenarios?" You will tell, no, I am going with my way. If you want to go with your way, why are you asking me? This is, they will ask, right? That's what. If you want to work with any area, you must go with the existing with little modification. That is the good strategy. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. According to that, you try to respond. Anyone, guide.
Less than 3.
Less than 3, we may try. Less than 3, what it may happen. See, it is saying what? Row number less than 3, it is giving 50 only. That means what it is getting, my? See, what was the problem? See, less than 3 you given, that is good only. 1, 2, 3, less than 3. This is 1 ma. This is 2, this is 3. That's why only 1 only, right? Got it?
Yes.
But command worked properly. But what will you give? Maybe less than or equal to 3. Shall we go with this? Or maybe 4. Try to understand.
Yes.
Now it is good. Is it okay? Everybody understood, right? Why it is giving that like that? Maybe you may ask, sir, I want to go with less than or equal to 3. We may go with less than or equal to. It may work. No worries. Is it okay? Puna, please
Yes.
observe. It will think like this is the first one, whether it is value or not. It is not value, it may leave. Is it okay? First one, second one, third one. It won't think about numbers. It will think about such in such a column. What are the numbering is there? 1, 2, 3. That's why I given less than or equal to Gunai. You got it? Suppose no sir, I want to go with another way. Another way. Ma, everyone go with greater than format. Greater than one. Greater than one. It is good, right? And what it is? Row number NR. NR. Please respond. NR less than or equal to what ma? 2. Everybody, any difficulty here, please respond. Clear information am I providing or not? Hey, I want greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1. Yes or no? Not 1, right? That is from second only I want it, right? That's why greater than 1. Is it okay? What happened? Greater than 1 means what it is thinking? According to our
First,
sin, greater
50,000.
than only 50 it is giving. I want which one? Oh, what happened? NR curse. Greater than 1, less than or equal to 2. Oh, that is feeling greater than or equal to 1. No, actually 1 is salary, right? 1 is salary.
Yes, sir.
That's why greater than 1 only right word. Greater than 1 only right word. That is good. Now here what you need to give? Greater than 1 means 2 only, right?
Three.
Please observe that you need to give which one here? 3. Is it clear for you? Now check it. Yeah. Here we are applying common sense. Are you agree with me? See, it represents one. Everybody observe. It represents one. What is the use of this one? That's why I want to go with greater than one. Greater than one means this is 2. There I specified greater than 1, less than or equal to 2. What does it mean? Same one only. That's what I specified here. Less than or equal to 3. Una, you got the clarity? Is it easy to implement, right? Sometimes they may ask, here it may work or not, we'll check it. It may. I want to go with one value, second value and fourth value. I want to get it. Assume this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. These two I want to calculate. These two I want to calculate. That facility is also there, but we may check it. There NR, there it won't work for greater than or is equal to 2. Are you agree with me? NR is equal to 2. And please respond. And double ampersand. Please respond. NR is equal to which one I
4.
specified? 4. Now, shall I go with what happened? Scenario is good only. Is equal to NR is equal to 2. NR is equal to 2. Now, am I getting properly or any difference? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
This is the meaning of R representation. You know the word meaning of R. If it is there, you take it. If it is there, you take it. If both are there, total and show me. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Again, I am explaining. If any existing is there, try to do little modifications. Even I am doing. If and is not working, what I am doing? I am applying my common sense. Oh, and will not work. There we go for R condition. Now you know. This one, similar way we have seen, right? Fourth column, wherever the value 45,000 or both 45,000, then only those values only you try to print for me. See what I wanted. Hey, see here more values are there. See more values. What I may do first, I am printing everything. Where you know AWK, AWK, AWK. Then what you want to print for me? There single quotation, flower bracket, print command, again flower bracket, data dot DMP. Yes. Now, am I getting output right? But not only this, I want one extra column, row numbers, ma. 1, 2, 3, like that. There you need to give. I'm asking to row number. I'm asking to what happened. Anything missing? Anything did I miss? Anything did I miss? Please observe. There, comma I missed. There I need to give which one after print, ma. After print, I want it NR. Row number. First I'll check it. After that, what I wanted? I want to get remaining data. Dollar, $0, $0, $0. Now check it. Am I getting both right? See, one extra column, am I getting or not? See, in reality, such column is not there. But I want to understand at least David belongs to which row. Can I manually search for very complex, right? We can easily identify row numbers by using with the help of NR. NR represents row number. Try to read row number. Is it clear, Guna? Just I added for our existing content. For our existing content, I added row number. Now just see here. Format output nicely. What they are giving, they are expecting row number is equal to 1. They are going to print function. They are going to specify. This is the formatted string. Format string. S means spaces. How much spaces? The minus means left alignment. Minus means left alignment. Are you understanding or not? We are going to tell the alignment. I want in between spaces also. I want in between spaces also. See, row is equal to 1 and row number greater than or equal to 1. What is the meaning? For headlines, you may take one format, not. See, same format is there or not? For data also, you want to take one format. Maybe copy paste, you may understand what happening. Now, if you know little bit C programming language, AWK is 100% very easy to understand. Now, what is our file name? Quick response data.dmp, right? Data.dmp. Now, see, if you want to change the format, even our original data here, maybe there is no much difference, right? You may try to modify the things. Here, I may give wherever 10s is there, you may go with 50s. There you can see the difference. 50. Here also, I am giving, what happened? 50 is correct only. There I may go here also 50. Now try to see the small difference. Are you able to see? Identify? S represents what? You can easily tell. S represents, I want some space.
Yes.
Is it okay? See, maybe my boss asked me effective look and feel format. They want to change. Maybe see ls-ltr, ls-ltr. This is not looking nice. I want, they told me same data they want to just adjust some spaces, adjust with alignment, but data is same only. For effective look and feel purpose, I want to generate a report, I want to submit a report proper way. I want to apply means by using this is the formatting. This is the format. I hope you understood. Is it okay for you? Any difficulty here? Please respond. S represents space. How many characters you want to tell? Their minus represents left alignment. Everything you should align in left or left from left to right. In common text, you should be right in text and number should be in right alignment. Is the standard format. Now I am moving on to. I hope you have seen right. Now just I am entering to shell script. Till now, you understood more than 15 to 20 commands in Linux. Maybe which commands? Those Maybe interviewers, whatever they are asking, those commands only explain. Remaining many commands are there. Now, what they may ask, oh, have you ever worked with the shell script? They may ask very first question. Your answer should be, okay, yes. Okay, please write and execute one small shell script. Please write and execute one small shell script. If you want to work with shell script, you need to go with maybe VA or cat command. I may go with VA, any one file name, maybe first hyphen script script dot what sh represents. Anyone can guess it? That is the sh represent shell. See, this is maybe industry wise, this is 100% correct, but in reality, SH may be there, may not be there, it will work. But anyway, this is the naming convention you try to follow. This is the first step. File name should contain what is the extension? SH is the standard procedure. Out of 100 people, nine out of 90 people will agree, oh, extension must be there. Okay, just now we'll consider that one. No problem. Very first one, what is my intention is, suppose again I am escaping, shift colon X. Please observe, I am giving echo, welcome, welcome, there, pipe symbol, WC, WC, there I am going to capital L. Try to understand. See how many characters are there. Welcome count it, everybody count it in welcome. How many characters are there? 7 characters. But interior what they asked me, hey, write a shell script for if I provide any word, I want to know the count of the word length, the count of the word length. Maybe interviewer what they are telling, dynamically I want to pass. Dynamically I want to pass each and every time. See, first time I pass welcome, second time I pass Linux, third time I pass maybe DevOps. Are you understanding her? Like that. If you want to pass, we see what is that? Linux is not good. Linux is not good. At that time you go for shell script. See, in shell scripting, we are going to write multiple lines. Simply we can say, I'm going to combine multiple commands, including language features. You may ask me, what are the language features? If I want it, I can use if condition. If I want it, I can use for condition. If I want, I can go with do. That means additional language features. I may show you how to use additional language features. Maybe very beginning, what I wanted, dynamically I want to pass string. Based on that string, it want to count. But here very complex to manage the thing. But what to do? I given my first script, right? My first FIRST, first spelling correct only, not taking. Okay, FIRST SCRIPT dot sh. Leave it. Now, Seema, there, read, insert, read hyphen p. Read, you need to read. Hyphen p means prompting. What you want to prompt? Hey, enter any word. Enter any word or any string. Enter any string. See, I want to take str. str. What is my variable name here? Variable name is the str. What will you prompt? Enter any string. For that, what will you do? First, read from the console. Read from the console, and where you want to store my content? Within the string. Till now clear? Any difficulty here in the first line? Please respond. See, for each word I told, read is the keyword. Read is the keyword. P represent prompting. What will you prompt? Enter any string. On the command line, you will tell to end user, hey end user, enter any string. Suppose he entered something, where it will store quick response? Those data. str is the placeholder, str is the placeholder. What will you do? Generally, what will you do? See, echo entered, entered string is, you want to display, right? $str. See, if you want to display anything, simply we can say, before the variable, you must provide which one, dollar, at least remember in that way. Now up to this, escape, shift colon X. Till now we didn't complete our task. We need to enhance. Now I want to run this one. I want to run this. Anyway, I am trying to run dot slash first script first script dot sh. I think spelling is correct only, right? If I give like this, permission denied. Why it is giving permission? Then I try to understand. ls-ltr ls-ltr. There, what is the file name? fi first script. Try to understand. I am the user. I am the user, root user. I created one file. This is the file name. This file having which permission? Please respond here. My file having only two permissions. My file having only two permissions. Read permission having, write permission having. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
My file having any executable permission? See, I tried like this. This is the meaning of I'm executing my script. This is the meaning of I'm executing my script. What it is saying? Permission denied. Permission denied. I want to add which permission? Executable permission. How can I represent my chmod chmod? What will you do?
Seven.
U means user plus x means executable permission on which file? first first.sh. See, now hereafter you may check once again ls-ltr. Now check it. Oh, I am the user. I am the user. I am the user means technical word. I am the regular user. I am the regular user. Regular user means the file who created that person is known as regular user. Is it okay for you? Now color got changed, right? Color got changed or not? That means any file having executable permission that will display on green color. Now hereafter what I may do? Dot slash first dot sh. Now check it. Enter any string. I'm typing welcome to DevOps. It may display as it is. Welcome to DevOps. Till now clear, right? Now what I want to get? Now what is the extension? Your string length is, I want to get like this ma. Your string length is, maybe it may count it and add to our output. Is it okay for you? Shall I go for enhancement? Now go for VI. Where is VI? Yes. Now check it. These two lines are clear or not? Please respond everybody. Otherwise very complex to understand ma. If you enter into shell script, little complexity is there. Anybody facing any difficulty till now? What, Anvesh?
I understood, sir.
Good. Now what is my intention? There in command prompt what I did, I can do first that one only. In command prompt what I did, generally I am writing in front of you. Echo, assume, what is our string? Please respond. What is our string? There what I written, welcome to DevOps. Or agree with me? Yes or no? Welcome to DevOps. Now
Yes.
welcome to DevOps, where it will store, Monica? Suppose if I give welcome to DevOps, where it will store according to our script?
SPR.
Very good. STR. Suppose if I write STR, what it may happen? Quick response, anybody? Everybody? See, STR is word only. STR is word only. Are you agree with me? If I use $str, now
Dollars.
the value will, maybe the difference is there, right? What is the difference between without dollar with the dollar? Quick response. Without dollar, whatever you give, that will treat it as a content. With the dollar, if you represent, that will treat it as a variable. Variable contain, or else technical word, placeholder. Placeholder containing whatever you provided that content. At least are you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Suppose I may give here echo $str. Now after that, what will you do? Pipe symbol WC hyphen L. That one only I written there also, right? That one only I written there also. Are you agree with me? This is,
Yes, sir.
if I use this one, here also I can get output. Here also I can get output. What output I may get? Only the value I want to get it. But before the value, I want to get some message. What is the message I want to get? Hey, echo. Please here echo there your string length. your string length. YO your strng string length. I want to combine these two, ma. I want to combine these two. How can I combine? See, this is purely command format, right? Or agree with me? Anybody? Anyone? Please respond. These are the commands. Command 1, command 2. See, if you want to work with commands, very simple understanding, $sign, open brace and closing brace. Is it okay for you? Any difficulty here? Please respond. If any command substitution, wherever you may use command, very simple logic, you need to apply braces and which one ma? Dollar. Your double quotation started. Here what will you do? You need to end with double quotation. Is it good, right? See, here space I provided, really not needed. Simply I'm moving. For your understanding, I provided. Everybody understood?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
your feeling is this, someone is trying to connect ma, who is ma? I think disconnect and connected, or maybe now they are going to. Madhavi garu, good evening. Good morning. Because of your joining late, maybe within 3 to 5 minutes, we may end the session. Anyway, we'll try to work with this. And now, shall I go with this? This line is clear for you. If not clear, I may write another way. Anyway, we'll check it first. Escape, what happened? Shift colon, X. What will you do? Please respond. Dot slash. Already I think we are having, right? String. I am giving first welcome only. Then we'll change. See, your string length 7 only. Am I getting right? Suppose some people may feel little difficulty for this. At that time, what I may do? Observe carefully. There I may go with enter. Insert ma. Enter. There I may write like this. See, strlen is equal to strlen is equal to, you know the command echo $sign. What is that? str, pipe symbol, wc hyphen l. Command is not changing. Wherever I write, wherever you write, you can write this one only. Now see, this is the command substitution. You can go with the dollar. Now what I may do? There, what I am doing, please observe that variable name I am using. What is the variable name? Quick response. strle. Is it okay for you? See, there is no difference, but only for I splitted my line. Is it okay for you? Am I splitted or not? I took one more variable. In that variable, I stored my content. Is it okay for you, ma? Any difficulty here? Escape. We'll see the output. Then only we'll talk. Now again, welcome. Are able to see same output or different output? Now if I run welcome to DevApps. Now see, are able to see 17 characters. What is the use of shell script? See, if I use date command, I may get date only. See, date ma, DATE. Any spelling mistake? See, I want to see today date is. But in shell script, very easy to get. In command prompt, little difficulty. If you are expertise, you can easily write it, no problem. But if you want to write multiple lines, very complex to manage. That's why we are going to work with shell script. Have you seen very simple shell script? At least I am asking to you. I want to see output like this. Today date is in single line. Today date is single line. Maybe I am going to VI date.sh. This is my file ma, or else okay. Today date today hyphen date.sh. Now guide me. What shall I do? Anyone? I want to see output on the prompt. Today date is, I want to see the date. Based on our existing scenario, you may tell something. What shall I do? Can I use read?
Read.
Can I
Yes.
I think read is not necessary, ma. That is predefined command, right? That is predefined command. No need to read anything. Simply, what will you do?
Go.
Echo,
Dollar date.
today date is colon, dollar. Very simple. Just a date, that's all. Is it okay? Even I am not using double quotations also. Please respond. In shell script with double quotation, without double quotation, there is no problem. There is no problem. Is it okay for you? I may go with escape, shift colon X. Now observe ma. You need to give executable permission, right? Without executable permission also I can execute. Shall we try that? Suppose try first one. Dot slash, today hyphen date dot sh. See, what was the problem? I think command correct only.
Spelling, sir. Today's spelling.
Today. Yeah, good. See, again it is giving no such file. What is the file name actually? Today. Now I think which is the right one? ls-ltr ma. ls-ltr, that is the right way. See, I am a cop. There may be spelling something going wrong. Leave about this. Copy it. Now dot slash pasting. Now check it. Permission denied or agree with me? See what I may do. Sudo or I may go with sh. Enter. Not supporting. Space is mandate. bash bash space dot. Got it? Output got it right? I got the output. Yes or no? Today date is.
Yes, sir.
Now I am asking to anyone. I want to see only today date. I don't want remaining things. See, what is the today date? Friday, July 25. Their time is also there. Universal coordinated, universal time coordination format is there. UTC. Okay. Remaining those things I don't want. Just guide me little modification. VI, VI. Where is VI? There I may go with here itself VI. That is good. Or else we may open some other file. And now, oh, escape. There slash is there, I hope. That was the problem. Now enter. Now see, little change I am expecting. Insert, insert, plus what you want to specify. There, double quotation, D. Capital D represents only date. Escape, shift colon, X. Now once again check it. Oh, what happened? Anything going wrong? Did I use plus properly? Did I use plus properly? Yeah. Anything going wrong? D, D, percentile D ma. Percentile, percentage symbol. Percentage, yeah, good. Escape, shift colon X. Now what shall I bash? This one correct only, right? See, am I getting or not? Till now, anyone facing any difficulty? Knowingly, unknowingly, we written 3 scripts. Very simple script. Displaying, assume this is the very simple script. I want to see only date. At least everyone try it and post it on WhatsApp group. Only time. I want to see only time. Current time is. You want to write like this. CURINT. Current time is. I want to see the time. At least you may Google it or maybe go through ChatGPT. At least you may understand what they written. Till now, anyone facing any difficulty? Quick response. If no, we may wind the session. We may meet up evening 6 p.m. Today, very new tool. What is the new tool name? AWS, Amazon Web Services. What is cloud? What is the use of cloud? How to work with those resources. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Shall I
sir.
wind it? Good. What, Subbu? You got little clarity or any difficulties?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, good. Maybe beginning after long time, maybe looking new, but maybe you can recap, I think.
Sure,
Okay,
definitely.
good to. Thank you. Others, any difficulties? No, right?
No,
Not
sir.
Guna, Anvesh, and Ganesh. I think no issues. Okay, I'm winding the session. Thank you.
can see that there is a one endpoint. Actually, it's hard, I think, here. If I